how to remove and replace screen. This is screens have sizes. This is small screen, there is medium screen, which is this one is medium. You have large screen, so but each screen is having similar different pins. So now it just depends. So this one is small screen with 20 pins. How to remove it and put it back. Just get the soldering wire plus the iron and paste. Apply some paste. The use of this paste is to prevent these pins from holding the soldering wire. So after you clean the pins so that they are not attached. Now this one I have removed it. So I'm going to put it here. So I will remove this one which is damaged. Putting this one back, you start. This board is labeled from pin 1 up to 24 pins, but these remaining 4 pins are ground, so they are no use. If you have 20 pins, you just put it there. So this screen is having 1 pin up to 20, as you can see behind here. Is labeled also. You see, 1 pin to 20. So the first pin should correspond with the first pin on the board. You start solder. Let us test and see. This one I have put it